Hey guys, I'm Kaytlin Neal, aka Katniss. I'm a professional MMA fighter and a personal trainer. I'm here to share some tips and tricks with you to help get you in shape and improve your game. All right, you guys, my tip for you today is the concept of centerline. So basically what you're gonna do is just draw a line down the center of your body and down the center of your opponent's body. Now, if you don't have an opponent and you're working on a bag, just pretend to draw a line down the center of the bag. And what you're gonna do is just get in your stance and point this lead toe at the center line of your opponent, and then also have this lead hand lined up with the center line of your opponent as well. And what this is gonna do is gonna make your striking more accurate and more powerful because it will be more accurate. Okay, so we're right here, and throw some punches. And even if you're moving around the bag, getting some angles, keep that lead hand and that lead toe pointed at the center line of your opponent.